Good morning, good morning. I just got done with the gym session. I got a really long day today. Today's a very special day because I'm getting a special delivery, which is the reason why I'm starting this channel. So I want to document my journey about what I'm doing, which includes building a house. Building a house while I have a full-time job, a whole side hustle, 2 whole kids, a whole wife. So I'm learning a lot, and yeah, can't wait to document everything and learn too, because I think there's a lot of people out there that can offer some tips. But here we go. See you when it's fun. What's up, bro? Oh. Here, bro, I got some cold drinks for you, man.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah. One of them's an energy drink, the other one's like a sparkling one. This one's an energy one.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Never seen or heard of any of these two before.
My wife got them, so I'm always like...
My wife's always trying a new thing.
Yeah, exactly. That's exactly it, right?
That's actually pretty good.
Yeah, right? It's pretty fire, right?
Before I forget, I'm gonna give you the toolbox.
Oh, yeah.
Because I'm capable of forgetting.
For sure. What's up, though, brother? What's up, though, brother?
The keys are in there too.
Okay, cool. All right, cool. All right, guys, so long story short, this guy brought the skid steer for me, thankfully, and he had 2 other cars with him, which was kind of a bummer because it took longer than I expected the drop-off to be. However, I said, I'm not going to sit here and watch you, so I helped him really fast, and then here I am taking it off. I struggled with it a little bit because it was my very, very first time ever driving this thing, but, I got it down, and it wasn't a big deal. One of the biggest issues I was having was I did not have the throttle up, so it was running really low. But I ended up doing the oil change and everything right after, so I can be ready the next day to do what I need to do. So the oil change was super smooth. I changed the hydraulic fluid, and I also changed the the engine oil. Because this is the smaller version, it's a 15 horsepower. It doesn't have an oil filter, so it was a super easy swap.